Good morning, YouTube. How we doing today? Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are bringing the energy and we're bringing hopefully some wins today. My goodness, it's been an interesting rough start to the week. We're not going to let that continue today though. It's game time today. It's game time today. What's up, Grizzly Glow? What up, bro? Let's see. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah.
The day for the data strategy. It's just a rip day.
I guess we're gonna see. Jeez Louise, I need to get my groove back too. 2 days in a row getting stopped out of my first trade in about 15 seconds was frustrating for sure. I'll be.
All right, I'll grab some coffee or tea or something. I'll be right back.
All right, bro. What's up, Team Bull? Good morning, TikTok live stream. For the algorithm, this live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Anything said is for education and entertainment purposes only. My name is Jdun. My ad is Team Bull Trading. It is 7:06 a.m. Mountain Time on February 11th, 2026. Let's get to the money, baby. Come on. Got to tell the algo that disclaimer every time. What's good, everybody? Good morning. What's cracking? How we all doing? How we all doing this morning? How has everybody's morning been so far? It was a great webinar. You guys enjoy the webinar? Hey, don't sleep on my Nebraska Cornhuskers basketball. We're nice this year. Any trades, sir? I've been on the live stream for 2 minutes. There's no trades quite yet. We'll get there, hopefully. My goodness, guys. Hopefully we don't have a first trade like I've had the last 2 days. What the hell was that? Literally back-to-back trades getting stopped out in 15 seconds. I don't think that's ever happened to me before. Literally. I mean, of course, I've had multiple trades in a row go red, but gosh dang, man. What's up with that? That last trade was good, though. Yes, sir. That last trade was baller. The last trade was great. It took a while, but it was great. You've gotten clapped this week. Well, let's change that. Let's change that up. It don't have to be like that, my friend. Guess who is here today? Banana Boy. First 3 trade. Yeah, bro comes in probably yesterday and takes the first 3. Yeah, that doesn't usually happen. I mean, I'm not immune to a losing streak. I could lose every trade the rest of the week for the next 2 weeks. I would hope that wouldn't happen. I'd do some serious reevaluation, but I always come into my trading with a risk-first mindset. You have to understand that this market owes you nothing. Every day you have to understand that this market does not owe you a damn thing. You are not owed a winning trade. You are not deserving of a winning trade. You have to focus on your system, make money when you can, and manage risk when you can. Tough mindset to master, but once you do, things get easier. Why are day traders always insufferable to be around? Probably a you thing, bro. Banana Boy's here. And then Pay Dun's coming today. He's coming. Not Gay Dun. Not Slay Dun. Not Jdun. Nah, Jdun's coming. You would never be caught dead eating a banana on stream. Why not? You gotta understand. I don't care what nobody thinks. We just come on here and vibe. Need 5K? All right. I'll try. Let's get it. I can be banana done. That's right. Well, yeah. Something like that. What's good, Team Bull? Oh, I'm not sharing my screen. I'm not, but I will be in about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I am. The funding deal of the day, folks, is going to be Apex. 80% off is still active. You can use code Jdun on the 50K account. Get your account for, I believe, $39. Glad you guys enjoyed class. If you want to take my next trade with me, go get yourself an Apex 50K Trade Evade account. The funded account deal of the day is Apex. Go get yourself an Apex 50K Trade Evade account for 80% off with code Jdun. If you want to take my next trade with me today, all the promises made, bro. There is an activation fee if you pass, but that's only if you pass, which hopefully I can help you do. That's what I'm going to try to do. Activation is $75, I think. I'll help you guys pass today, too. Freaking A, I hope so, man. I hate when I have trades like I started off with yesterday. Drives me bananas. Just drives me bananas. Passed my eval yesterday because of you, my boy. Let's make some money. Let's go. Not off those first two trades, but off that last one, hopefully. Not off the first two. Or the first two. All right, guys. We got 15 minutes, y'all. We got 15 minutes. Class was awesome last night. You guys seen I changed my mind on my stance towards the man who vandalized my car. I genuinely just want to find him and talk to him. I want him to say he's sorry. And I want him to choose a different path in life. Because life's way too short to be angry and destroying things. And it's almost like I know I poke fun at the haters on the live streams on TikTok and YouTube, but I mean, honestly, what a sad life to be a grown man going in random live streams and being so angry, being so frustrated, being so miserable internally. What a sad life. I'm willing to help the haters. Yep. That's facts. All right, let's get it. Raul said, at Jdun trades unfunded Apex accounts. My daily loss limit is $200. Should I take 3 micros in the first in case it doesn't work? Not the mindset. That way I get another chance at 2 micros or trade 5 micros if it ends up losing. Yeah, I mean, I'm all for less size and more risk management on funded accounts, especially for Apex. You just got to be aware of the intraday drawdown before you get to the buffer. If you got that under control, then you're good. The intraday drawdown will cook you if you're not careful. You're welcome, bro. Let's kill it today, man. Let's kill it today, my friends. Let's kill it today. What's good, bro? Let's get it. Let's get it, baby. Come on. There's a lot of haters out there, but guess what? There's more love. For every hater, there's like 100 lovers. Fans. Hustlers. People who want to see you win. You may not feel like it. The haters and the negative Nellies are always the ones who chirp the loudest. They're always the loudest. It's one thing I'm proud of about our live stream every day is we've kept our group super tight. Just like in Team Bull. We don't allow for the haters. They come in for a little bit, but then they get blocked or muted. Jdun, all I'm saying is we hit low day yesterday and I didn't see an Instagram picture. I got stopped out first, bro. We did hit low day though. If I wouldn't have gotten stopped out, well, I would have been in my undies for y'all. And I wouldn't have been happy about it, but I would have done it because I said I would. Yep, let's catch a banger. If you guys want to get an account to trade with me today, I'll post the link for Apex here. You can use code JDUN for payout protection and 80% off. I am still buying Bitcoin. Yep. I haven't made any big purchases in the last few days, but I'm just waiting for if we pull back further. I'm happy with where I'm at. I still buy little bits. All right, let's get it, Team Bull. I saw Brandon's GTR, the gym. Was he trying to finesse him for a free membership? Bro's always trying to get things for free. Bro's a cheapskate. Bro's a cheapskate. Brandon is a cheap man. No.
Alright, Team Bull. Not much longer. Hopefully we can catch a winner today.
Hoping so. We need to. We need a nice one and done. That's what we need.
Yeah, nice 100-point trade.
That's it. Is that too much to ask for?
I would say the data strategy could be in play today, but not something I call out. I think you all just have to handle that yourselves.
I think you call it out. Who votes he calls it out, chat?
Data strategy, my stress level goes up 10 times.
Call it out. Call it out. Or you text me and I'll call it out. I'll take the heat for it, baby. I love the heat.
Remember what happened when I asked you to text me for a trade, you know?
Bro didn't forget.
So I read on a sticky note with my computer in front of me.
Bro, so I ain't forgotten. Bro, so I didn't forget. Where is Mr. Gene at? Paydown needs to come out to play. Where is Mr. Gene? Dun. Bearish daily. I have no daily bias right now. I honestly don't have any bias. I mean, clearly the market's up pre-market, so I guess that upside market comes into play. Upside bias comes into play. Or like gap fill? Yeah, we'll see. I will be watching individual names as well today too. I'll be watching Tesla. Don't. Good morning, everybody. Top of the day. Top of the day. Let's go for a win today. Or I guess we got to include a managed loser. Oh, I want you guys all to apply what you learned in yesterday's webinar. You learning doesn't mean you executing. You gotta apply what you learn. You should let me trade you. I'm gonna get a crazy workout today too. Trust. This might go back down to morning news. We'll see. It's possible. It's possible, but I'm not gonna bet on it. What's my prediction for today? I don't have a prediction, bro. I try not to do that because it makes me biased and it makes me miss potential setups. My goal is to manage my risk and hopefully catch a nice A+ setup. Make some money and enjoy my day. But it comes with the potential that I also will lose money. That's a risk I take every day in this profession. Tesla with a move up too. All right, let's get it. Don't. You know, don't trade 2-bar, but could this be or pre-market? But could this be a 2-bar? I guess if we held this candle strong. All right, we got 10 seconds, y'all. 10 seconds, y'all. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, choose DOD, and let's get to the money. Let's get to the money, everybody. Let's have a nice day together, everybody. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, choose DOD, and let's get it. Got to get my... No, actually, we got to have next day expiration. There we go. Getting the options chain all pulled up in case we got to mess around and rip some options. It's always an option. Get it? Options. Always an option. It's always an option. Delta, get it? Get it? Like, don't you get it? Delta, get it? The Greeks. No one thinks my option jokes are funny. All right. Now let's trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, choose DOD, and let's get to the Monday today. Come on, you guys are in the right place to learn inside Team Bull. All right. Before we get started, too, let's get those like numbers up. We got the best community. We're growing daily. We got almost 1,000 people on YouTube already here at Market Open, and we got 100 likes. What's up with that? Let's get that number up to 300, baby. Come on, smash that like button, hit that subscribe, and let's find ourselves a nice winning trade today. A little slower start to the week. Ended yesterday very strong. I will always do my best to help you guys learn, level up, and win. And appreciate y'all hitting that like. If you're on TikTok too, tap that screen over and over. Smash that like button, baby. Tap that screen over and over. Let's get these moving. Let's get it popping. I said let's get it popping. Come on, dope. Can we spend it all? A sense of humor is optional equipment. Tesla's moving off the open too. I was kind of hoping we'd move down first on Tesla, then move back up above pre-market high, and then take a retest of pre-market high. Grizzly. Hey, Grizzly Glauk. I wonder if bro took the data strategy.
I took it. No, sorry. I hope everyone listens. I was trying to fix my speaker. Keep my mic.
It couldn't hear you. They definitely weren't speaking.
No, I didn't call it out. Just,
Wow.
I was trying to talk to you about it.
Wow. I looked at it. I was like, uh-oh. Data strategy. Swept those highs. Stop and go. Woo! Lots of smoke. Let's get it every day today, everybody. Oh my gosh, this Tesla's going insane. Ain't no one getting a pullback on that. Is that Mr. Gene? That is Mr. Gene. Hello. You want the Hellcat? It'll get you a Hellcat. Thank you, bro. Uh-oh, guess who just showed up? Guess who just walked up in this house? Flailing their arms, wringing their neck, doing the worm. Pay Done up in here, baby. Let's go. Come on. That's who's up in this house. Pay Done's here. Pay Done is up in this house. So we got pre-market high up here. Okay. Yep. Pre-market low. That data spike, previous high 280. That could be something. Let's see here. That actually doesn't look bad for a bounce at around 280-ish. Stops below 240. Does not look bad. It's that 50% retracement from pre-market low to pre-market high. And it's that same area where data spiked. When would I consider options over futures contracts? It really just depends. It honestly just depends on the situation and on your level of understanding of the Greeks and how premiums work and such. You can't trade options if you don't know what you're doing. The promises made. Dun, dun, dun. So when it's green, you sell. I don't know what that means. Yeah, futures is much more simple than options. Brianna said just hopped on a super random live. Well, you just hopped on a live. Well, you're going to learn how to make a lot of money and learn how to build a life-changing skill called trading. You hopped on the #1 live stream on this entire app. Trading live stream. I can't speak on the dancing or ASMR live streams. I'm not into all that. But there's the feet live streams or whatever the heck else people are doing nowadays. But trading, if you want to make some money, you're in the right spot. I can tell you that. In the trading world, this is the place to be. Love. Love for real. I'm not in any trades. Jdun, I appreciate your live streams. Going to purchase my first funded account with your discount with trading. Let's go. Code Jdun. I appreciate you, bro. Payout protection. So you make sure that you get your payout if you follow the rules and the best discount. I always appreciate your guys' support more than you know. I just ask that you choose DOD when you buy that account. If you guys want to take my first trade with me, it typically happens 20, 30 minutes in. So you have time to get yourself an Apex account. I just posted the link in chat. I recommend the 50K Tradeovate account. We got arguably a 2-bar on Tesla. It's just first candle of the day. It's a little sketchy. Let's see. I'd rather see a test of pre-market high, but it doesn't really give us much leeway. See how it works out. If nothing else, for some experience.
People, I'm watching this bounce area still. 25,300.
That's what I was kind of watching too, down to 2.
I have no idea if I keep kicking my mic off. Every time I mute, it makes my mic pink.
Dun. All right, let's see what we get today. We are 10 minutes into the market. No trades for me. No trades for me. Typically takes me a bit. I'm just hoping that we don't get stopped out in 15 seconds like my first two trades went this week. Back-to-back trades getting stopped out immediately. What the heck was that? My final trade yesterday was really nice. For those of you who stuck around the live, I ended up going back green. I caught a 60-point winner. I held the whole thing. That was the only possible way I was going green. So we got that nice trade. Would have been max loss. Would have been one of my first time hitting 2 losses in a row, or 2 red days in a row, and hitting maximum loss limit in a very long time. But I accepted red. You know, the last trade setup was good. We didn't force it. It was fine not taking it. It set us up. We caught a 60-point winner. We actually ended up catching that lower high, where we ultimately trended lower the rest of the day. We saw that confirmation up here, that aggressive move up, took those shorts. My average was 406, stops above this candle high, and we just trended down the rest of the day. That's all it takes. All it takes is one good trade. That's it. If you can get one good trade that you actually hold and execute on, win rate doesn't matter as much. I mean, you can't have a 5% win rate. I guess you could. You just have enormous winners. But the metrics of win rate don't matter as much when you are getting overall bigger wins. Team Bull, I'm doing a 14er this weekend. I'm doing a big hike. Another payout approved from Apex for Team Bull member. That's amazing. It's going to be cold. Oh, I know. It's going to be very hard to do a hike 14,000 feet up. But that's the point of it, is I want to do something tough. I want to challenge. I want to challenge myself. I haven't decided which one yet. Still no trades for me, guys. Just waiting and watching. Oh my gosh, Amazon is getting smacked. If you guys are waiting on the recording from last night, it'll be out, I'm hoping later this evening. Not hoping, but it'll be out later today. Later today. Do a ruck. You trying to kill me? Guys interested in guaranteed copy trading. All right, guys, we are 15 minutes in. We got our 15-minute range put in. We have a stacked 15-minute high and pre-market high. We also have a very well separated 15-minute low and pre-market low. You know what I would love to see today? What would just make me very, very happy is if we got some sort of impulse move below this. We had a retest back up, a short, and we made it down to pre-market low. Oh my gosh, that would be incredible. I swear to you guys, if that happens and we get a part of it, and we catch the move. Oh boy. If that happens, if we get a move down below this, a retest back up on a 2-bar setup or some sort of VPA confirmation, I will go on IG and I'll bring the dogs out. All right, Team Bull on my toes and post it. That's what I'll do. If we catch that setup. I know some of y'all would be happy about that. All right, DOD. Bring the dogs out, baby. I'm bringing the dogs out. Yesterday it was we're going to post a pic in the underwear. Well, we didn't get that because I got stopped out on the rest of the trade. But listen, I'm trying to have some skin in the game, all right? I'm hoping that we get a move down here and like we get down to maybe like, oh, I'd settle for like 100 points. Then maybe we just like trend back up. Hey, it gets the people excited.
I'm not looking for any trades until we get out of this range. We have to get out of this 15-minute range. I'm not trading it again. As long as we're inside.
Bro said this is a double-edged sword. I'm just messing with you guys. We're just having fun, guys. Trying to have fun. Getting me too excited. I gotta chill. We're choosing DOD. I'm not trading in this 15-minute range either. I'm with you, bro. I'm not trading in this 15-minute range either. I'm staying ultra patient today, and I would prefer my first trade to be downside setup. If we get upside setup and it fits the system, I will take it because that's what having a system is about. But all right. Come on. That's all I want to see is a nice move down below a 15-minute low and then retest up. That would be great. Choosing DOD, trading smart, trading safe, staying patient.
Some people are saying Trinovate's giving them issues, not closing a position, like they're stuck in position. So be careful. Be careful.
On the ground. I have hiked Grays and Tories. I've just never done it in the winter. This will be my first 14er in the winter I've ever done. I don't know if Tradeovate's down. Let me try. Let me see something. Mine's working. I just tested it. You know, it's fine. For what it's worth. I mean, I can't speak on anyone else's, but mine's working. I just entered and exited a position real quick. So for what that's worth, Thinkorswim is great, but the fees are horrible, bro. Like the fees actually suck. The fees are horrific. Still waiting, guys. Do you recommend on using and why? It depends on what. As a reminder, good morning, everybody. If you are new here, I appreciate you guys hitting that follow button. If and only if you're looking to learn how to trade, looking to build a sustainable strategy, you're not looking to get rich quick, and you're looking to do things the right way, the DOD way. So if you're looking to get every trade that I take, learn the right way, hit that follow button. If you're on TikTok, welcome in. If you're on YouTube, appreciate you hitting that subscribe button, turning those notifications on, and we'll see if we can get a nice winner. It was a slow start to the week. I'm still slightly green, but... And how do we have 1,500 people and 300 likes? Come on, let's get that number up to 500, baby. I know we got 500 winners in here, 500 DOD traders, 500 people who are hungry for that next level. Smash that like button and let's get it. Yes, let's go. Hit that like button, baby. Hungry, ready for more. Let's get to the moolah today. Also, for the record, TikTok, I'm live on YouTube as well. You can see my full screen share and you can watch me chart at the same time. Jdun Trades. You can see my full screen share on there. We're building a massive community. We've grown. We've literally 10x'd our audience in the last few months. I love our TikTok fam too. It's great for getting new people in, showing them a different way of trading, the right way of trading. You're making me want to trade again. You make it look fun again. Well, we have fun on the live stream, but trading itself is boring. If you want to trade with me, if you want to trade the Jdun way, you have to be patient. And that's what bothers some people is if you can't be patient, if you can't wait, then you're not going to like how I trade. If you're constantly looking for dopamine and looking for fun and looking for excitement and being in a trade, then I'm not the trader for you. And that's okay. If you like losing money, I'm not the trader for you. If you want this to be exciting and thrilling, like a roller coaster, then I'm not the trader for you. But if you want to have boring trading that you make money with and you can enjoy your money outside of your trading and have less stressful trading and have simplicity in your trading, then I might be the trader for you. Stick around and you'll find out. If you like losing, you can go to ICT's lives. Yeah, I honestly, I'm not off to a great start as far as win rate goes, but I've been killing it the last, 6 months we've been live streaming together. Sending hate from Tallahassee. I'm sending love from Denver. I'm going to counter your hate with love. I love you, my boy. And I want to see you win. Sending hate from Botswana. I'm sending love from Denver to Botswana. All right, still no trades. I don't trade with people's money, guys. If a Jdun ever follows you, messages you, adds you as a friend, it is not me. I love all y'all. I think you're all great, but I will never follow you or message you first or ask you to trade for you or to submit money to a broker. None of that. There's lots of accounts that mimic mine, that impersonate me, that are not me. Please do not get scammed. Oh, Beck, that's crazy. How's the GT2? It's great, bro. I love that car. All right, let's see if we can get a push here with confirming volume. That would be very 398, 340. It's a bit much risk. All right, let's see if we can get this candle closed down here. I'd love to get a nice downtrend today. And honestly, I'd love to see us catch a downtrend, and even more so, even if I take a downtrend trade. Jeez Louise, look at that. And ultimately, it ended up stopping me out. I just don't want to get stopped out my first trade in 15 seconds. All right, let's see. We are going to need volume confirmation on this, but if we get it, we can start looking for a downtrend setup. We can start looking for shorts. There's no 2-bar missed. There's been no 2-bar setups yet. There's been no 2-bar setups yet. Tesla's pulling back into that 50% retracement too. I don't know. I don't, for one, just because a candle, what you guys have to understand is just because a candle has higher volume, this is not a 2-bar setup. Why is this not a 2-bar setup? This first candle right here. We spoke about this on the live stream last night. This is, if anything, for one, your first candle of the day always has more volume, right? It's always going to have the highest volume. Second, this is a reversal candle. So if I saw this at a key level, I might have looked for a retest back up for shorts with stops above the highs. But I don't trade based off of first candle confirmation. This could give us a nice setup, though. I want to get some solid volume on this, and I'll look for a retest back up. I think that this could be something good coming. We'll see. I think we're gonna get confirming volume. We have a minute left. Ooh, and we're right around here too. So here's what I'll look for, guys. If we get this close down here, I'll look for a move back up into this 350 to 360 area with stops above 400. I'll enter the shorts here with stops above this candle high.
I'm not taking the bounce, everyone. It just happened too quickly. Did Dero try the move to the downside?
Oh, I'm trying it if we get up there. If we get a little higher than it, I'm trying it for sure. I'm not sure we're going to get it. But so guys, here's the deal.
What are you thinking? The Asia high, the 345 area, 340?
350 to 360. I mean, if you tried 340, you just have significant amount of risk. I guess, sure, if you try at 340, you have 60 points of risk to the top. You just have to, it's just a lot. I really don't like to go higher than 50. But
I don't like going higher than 40.
yeah, I mean, you could trade micros and just size down. I'm open to it. We might just have to finesse the risk management a little bit. If we get this pullback up here, I will try the shorts in this area, guys. I will try it up here if we get a push back up. My finger's on the short trigger. This is both an orb and a 2-bar. I love when these two levels coincide. Shoot, 340. Oh, come on, go a little higher. I'm trying a small size of shorts, guys. I added some micros. At 340. Higher risk entry here. I'd rather see up to 350, 360, but I did try up there. Try it up there, guys. I want to see a flush below 290 to even think about selling anything. So far, so good, guys. So far, so good. So far, so good. What a nasty ad on that. Almost 40 points so far. What a nasty ad, guys. Almost new low a day here. Almost new low a day. Almost new low a day. I'm going to trim down here. I'm trimming, guys. Trimming at low a day. Taking some off down here. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Hell yeah. Let's go. Yes. Come on, baby. All right. Now, on the remainder, let's put our stops at break even. Let's let this puppy cook. Oh, my gosh. Let's go, baby. Ooh. That was baller. That's what I'm talking about. Like, yes. We needed that after yesterday, folks. All right, stops. I trimmed them a little more down here. Stops are at break even. Hey, where'd the haters go? I want to see. I swear to you, if we don't stop out, I will hold my runners until we get down to 150. I will hold this trade to 150. I'm not doing the thing I said before, but we're gonna hold our runners to 150. Hey, you only had one micro. That's okay. Bro said still sending hate. Well, then I can't do anything. We want more of this. Let's see if we can downtrend today. Let's see if we can get this move down. That was great, right? You thought this was a game? Oh my gosh, yes. Come on, baby. Challenge pass. I told you, like, if you guys got yourself some Apex accounts this morning with code Jdun, and you put some risk on, you probably passed or got close to passing too. Every day live. I told y'all we were getting back in the groove. I don't know what the hell happened the first 2 days of the week. My stops are at break even, and I promise you guys, I will hold this trade until 150. I will hold this trade until we get 200 more points or 130 more points. I don't want to hear respectfully anybody say that was not called out. I told you that was the only thing I was watching literally before it happened. Before it happened, we were waiting for that trade to come up. Let's go, baby. Order filled. That's what we're hearing in profit today, baby. Nothing but net. Oh my gosh, we're going for a 100-point trade. I got to shine. Hey, you know what? Even even higher risk, right? Or less size is cool with me. The good life. Let's go on a living spree. 35 down to 70 is a great trade. I'm holding this trade, guys. All right. It was a tough two first days of the week. Let's get some positive vibes going. If you guys took that trade with me, talk to me, baby. How are you guys doing so far? How much we up on a Wednesday? We need some good vibes flowing. How much y'all make on that trade with me? 200, 4K, 105, 200, 970, base hits, baby, 300, 721, 250, 2600, 1100, 789, 300, 860. We're moving, baby. We're not selling it. We're going low a day, or we're going pre-market low. 2500, 284, 8,400. Let's go, baby. Let him move. Let him move. Like a cow, let him move. I'm letting this puppy run. Come on, push it down. Come on. I got the shot. Throw your hands up and that was fire. I knew you took it too, bro. That was nasty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this, baby. Let's go. We're holding this. We are holders, guys. We are holders. I want 150. I want pre-market low. I want death from this market. Holding this trade until 150. Come on. Of course, that's just my plan. You manage your risk how you see fit. Let's go. 100-point trade. We needed that after the start of the week. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, everybody. If I helped y'all make some money on that, make sure y'all hit that follow button. If you're new here, hopefully I earned your follow or earned your turning your notifications on. Let's go. 100-point trade, baby. A 100-point trade. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Oh no. We're going to get to that free market low. I take back what I said earlier. I made y'all money. Deal with it. It's going to go there. That was literally money bags, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. Exactly what we talked about last night in the webinar. Literally like to a T. That was the trade. Congratulations, everybody. Hey, and if you missed it, guess what? I got some news for you if you missed it. You ready? We're going to see that setup again. There's no need to have FOMO. If you missed that trade, please don't get FOMO here, guys. The setup's going to come again. It's going to come again and again and again because it's a high probability good A+ setup. So if you missed it, don't trip. It's okay. It's okay. Ain't no need to have FOMO. You didn't. The market's not going to go anywhere. You're going to have the chance to take it again. Just relax, breathe, don't do anything silly. We're going to get my price target here, guys. We're going to get my price target. Exactly what I said. I'm not doing what we talked about earlier, but exactly what we talked about, bro, is happening. It's happening. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh, I needed this so bad. Oh my gosh, I needed this so bad. I needed this so bad. Nuker, bro. Nuker. Oh my gosh, guys. Nuker. Oh my gosh. Price target almost achieved. The dogs are not coming out. The dogs are not coming out. I'm not doing it. So you're welcome. Maybe that's what we got to start saying. Oh my gosh. Literally the exact setup we talked about this morning played out to a T. To an actual T. Price target achieved. Gene, hold me back. Put the collar on. Woo! Let's go. Yo. Let's go, baby. Oh my gosh. Jeez Louise. That was so awesome. Price target achieved, guys. And guess what? We just had our biggest day in a hot minute. 6 racks on the day, baby. Come on. Quit playing with me. Woo! Let's go. I'm so happy. Woo! That was awesome, guys. We got in. We said we are holders. We are holding this trade. We're getting that pre-market low, and we got our pre-market low, baby. Wow, that was poetic. Where's all the haters at from the streams? Come on. Where y'all at? Where'd they go? I'm trying to find them. I'm trying to find them. Let's go. These are polarized. I can't see shit. Hey, if I helped y'all, make sure y'all hit that like button. Have I earned your like yet? Have I earned your subscribe yet? Have I earned your follow on TikTok? Come on, baby. I'm trying to earn your trust, baby. Let's go. Come on now. Hit that like, smash that like button. Hit that follow button. I appreciate y'all using code Jdun. And hey, if you missed the trade, we're gonna get this set up again, guys. It's okay. I mean that. I always like to speak on the people who didn't catch the trade. It's okay. The setup's gonna come again. As long as you understand the why, that's all that matters. That's all that matters, guys, is you understand the why. If you understand the why, that was absolutely filthy, guys. I mean, I'm talking absolutely filthy. Absolutely filthy, guys. I'm out at price target, guys. I'm out of this trade. We might go lower. I don't care. I'm chilling. Honestly, after I did not trade well the last 2 days, guys. I mean, if you were here and you rocked me every day, I appreciate you sticking with me. It was honestly bound to happen. It's funny. I seen someone in the live yesterday was like, well, Jdun has a few red trades. Get ready to go absolutely nuts the rest of the week. Not wrong, though. If you want. All right, here's the deal, guys. You guys want an Apex account giveaway? Post in the Post Your Gains tab and tag me with DOD. I'll give away one Apex account. You know what? Screw it. We'll give away $200 to someone too. We'll make it a flat 6 racks on the day. We'll give away the $200. We'll give away the $206. All right. Tag me in the Post Your Gains with DOD. You guys know I read your responses. So if you put some effort into it and if it's honest and real, I got you. That's in the Discord. You got to be in the Discord and post your gains. Got to be in the Discord. If you can post if you're in the free side too. You don't have to be in the paid side to post. Oh my gosh, that was great, guys. That was incredible. Go and post your gains tab. Post your gains. Oldest trader in Team Bull, 5,000. You don't look a day over 25. You don't look a day over 25. Break. Oh my gosh, that was so awesome, guys. That was the best trade we've had in a very long time. I mean, the fact that we held, if I would have had full size on that, oh my gosh. If I would have gotten my man out, it would have been a 10, 12, 15K day. If you guys need a Discord invite link, I got you, right? All right. If you guys want to post your gains, again, you don't have to, there's no paywall here. You can just do it. Okay. I do have a paid service that I stream in. There's no lag. I don't really talk about it much on here, but you don't have to do any of that to post your gains. Join free Discord. Here, I'll post the link here. Second. I want my. There we go. There you go. I posted the free Discord link, guys. You guys can join, post your gains in the Post Your Gains tab. That was awesome, guys. That was so fire. Oh, that's awesome, guys. And the cool thing is, what Grizzly? Sorry.
It's a crazy move, man.
And we literally mapped that out before it happened. Like literally. Insane.
This is just a massive move, too. I wish every trade was exactly like this one. Everyone could retire early.
Oh my gosh, that was insane. Just insanity. Oh, that was bananas. That was banana cuckoos. Just craziness. I don't even care if we go another 100 points. I'm cool. I'm cool. That was baller. That was awesome, guys. That was great. You see how simple, hey guys, if you came to the webinar last night, that's literally the exact strategy we talked about. The retest. That's why we take the retest, my friends, is because if you try to take the breakout, you get wicked out on the way up. I don't think we had any drawdown. If you guys waited until I don't think we had a single moment of drawdown. That was great. I'm really happy for everyone today, guys. We killed it as a team. I'm happy for us as a collective today. I'm very happy for us as a collective. If you guys post your gains in the post your gains tab, I'm picking one person to win an Apex code, one person to win $206. $206. Grizzly, you know why I made so much money on that trade and why I caught that trade? You want to know the actual reason? Grizzly Glock? I'll tell you the actual reason. Because I had steak last night. I had a big fat steak from one of my favorite steakhouses. That's why. Literally, that's crazy. Yeah, no, the toes are not coming out. I was joking earlier. That literally though, what I said, the setup I literally talked about. I said if we test back to the pre-market or 15-minute low and enter and we go to low a day, the dogs are coming out. Well, the dogs aren't coming out. So you're welcome. So I was saying, you know why I caught that winning trade today? You know what the reason was? It's because I had my favorite steakhouse last night. I had a big fat steak before bed. That energy carried over.
That's it, man. Can we just point out that the data strategy is what we should have held, though?
Oh my gosh.
Could you imagine?
I honestly,
options are just like up insane.
I can tell you what they're up.
Look at your options. I know already sold the data strategy. But those, you check the current price of the options. What's the percent increase from your entry?
This 2-bar could work. Honestly, guys, after this aggressive of a move, even if I hadn't taken a trade yet, I likely would be done. It could work. You could 2-bar here. This for education. I'm done trading. You could 2-bar here with, let's see, 110 with stops above like 145. You could 2-bar here on this pop up. Try shorts. Keep moving down. You'd have to have stops above pre-market high.
I like that pre-market low.
Or pre-market low. Pre-market low. Not stops above pre-market high. Yeah, you gotta have stops. 300.
We don't all have your account size for the pre-market high stuff.
That's funny. All right, here's the deal, chat. If you are in Colorado, we're going to come to Colorado. We are going to do live trading on Friday in person. You can DM me on Discord if you're in Colorado and you'd like to come trade live with me. The show goes on. That's where we know the win streak's going to continue. Touch to you, and my wings are broken. I'm vibing right now. I'll tell you that right now. So happy. These last 2 trading days were so stressful. I posted my baby profit 8. Don't speak on your profit like that, even if you made $10. You average an extra $10 a day for the year. It's an extra $2,500 a year. Pays for groceries. Pays for some groceries. Almost got that 2 bar and moved down. $10 is fine. Who cares? That's great. Be proud of your progress. As long as you managed your risk and followed your plan. You made your $30. That's awesome. Congrats.
And I'm not convinced we'll bounce there. I'll be careful. Careful taking them out.
Guys, if you missed the trade, it's okay. Now be careful of this 2 bar, guys. We already tested up prior. Move down. It could be a setup. I'm not going to tell you it's not going to be, but just if you're going to take this trade up here, you must have stop set at 145. If you took this trade on this move up, you must have your stop set at above pre-market high. Or how do I keep saying that? Pre-market low. Or you can have it set at like 140. But yeah, pre-market low right here. So just be careful. I'm not taking it. So don't blame me if it don't work out. If I call a trade and it don't work out, you can blame me. That's fine. I don't care. I can handle it. It is a possible re-entry for shorts. You just have to have your stop set. This is a 2 bar setup. You just have to keep your stops above this pre-market high. So whoops. Uh-oh, 2 bars paying. Look at that. That actually looks really good. Now, if you took that 2 bar, you'd want to move your stops to 120, basically around break even or just slightly above, and you want to see push down. If we break above this 120 again, we likely test up here. That's what I would do if I was managing it. We're having a party here. Some Mao P in the back. Some Mao P. Out in the streets, they call me NQ Murderer. That's so awesome. I'm going to crash today. I hope so. for the sake of everyone in shorts. Call me mother. Out in the street. New. 341. We're having a house music concert here.
We're in this pre-market low area. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna take shorts again.
All right.
I'm gonna risk 34. Cool. And it's gonna be lot size green there regardless. That's a look. Massive trade with that.
If you guys want to take my next trade with me, go get yourself an Apex account for tomorrow. All right? If you guys want to take my next trade, you guys can go get yourself an Apex account right now. 80% off using code Jdun. You guys see how I do. I've shown you guys the proof in the paper. I recommend the 50K Trade Evade account. It only costs you like $39. No more trades for me today. This test up here could work for shorts, but I'm likely done. If you guys want to take my next trade with me, go get yourself an Apex account. You can trade up to 20 at a time. They're 80% off with code JDUN, and you get payout protection, meaning that when they see you use code JDUN, they ain't going to play around with you. If there is any problems with your payout, I can expedite your ticket as long as you followed the rules. Like, if you don't follow the rules, there's nothing I can do. L self code promo. What? Oh, I thought you were talking to me. I was like, bro, if I help y'all make money, what's wrong with me promoting myself a little bit? I was like, damn, bro. You'll notice if I lose, I don't talk much about it. Like, I get it, but it don't happen often that I lose it. The last 2 days, I don't know what happened. My brain turned off. My weaponized autism brain wasn't working. So they tell me, at least. My brain works in funny ways. It just wasn't working yesterday. But we're back. DOD helped me recover my account from 350 from deactivation to 1250 in profit. My PA. Let's go. I'll choose winner in a little bit. Out of all traders, you're the only one that resonates with me most. Not only DOD, but also how you trade, price action, structure trading. Orb is just part of the arsenal. Hats off to you, bro. Ben, thank you so much, bro. Comments like that mean the world. Seriously, thank you. We're going to stay on for a bit today. Hopefully you can get a nice reversal candle here at pre-market. Whoa, that'd be great. Made 6 racks today, Grizzly Glock. That's my biggest day in a while. Honestly, dude, I was not going to say sad after the last 2 days, but it's just frustrating. I don't even care about losing trades, bro. What really bothers me is getting stopped out in like 10 seconds. And me too, man. It's like I don't care if I lose. I know I can manage my risk, but some people on the live stream are not managing their risks so well. I'm not saying any names, but if the shoe fits, just saying. Chat.
You all can stop at entry if you like, if you don't like this setup. I'm going to go red on you.
The main point of today is that you, Grizzly, if you have to manage your trade, please speak over me. The main point of you guys understanding today's trade is that we had the impulse candle, the aggressive 5-minute candlestick. Or 1 second. TikTok, I'm doing the live trade recap on YouTube. So if you want to watch me chart, it's on YouTube. Jdun Trades. Jdun Trades on YouTube is where I'm doing the trade recap. And inside Team Bull, of course, in my paid in my paid community.
I'm taking that big trade and walking away. It could print for you all. I'm not saying it's not going to, but I'm not risking it. I don't like how we push down and we're retesting pre-market low.
Uh-oh, the GSI is firing.
GSI is firing.
Watching your streams for the past 3 months allowed me to officially leave the adult industry February 1st, and I couldn't be more thankful. That's amazing. Wow, that's awesome. What a life change. I'm super proud of you. Seriously, that's amazing. Making a positive change to your life. That's great. We are changing lives here for real, Cameron. That's amazing. Hey, the strategy we talked about in class last night paid. Again, it's all about simplicity. Oh, you're crazy, lifted vitality. I'm happy to see people doing positive with their lives. I'm happy to see people doing positive with their lives. That's all I care about. Choosing DOD. Gene, you want to come say hi? Come say hi, Gene. I'll be right back, y'all. Gene's coming to say hi. Oh. Is this the new one? Oh, thank you, bro. I forgot I had 2 of those New York cups.
You leave your minimum loss limit at 0. So you'll have a $500 drawdown. I don't have a YouTube channel. I'm born and raised in Denver City and County. I made Jdun through Team Bull. I was a Team Bull member. Now I'm his best bud. My trading style is similar to Jdun's, but I use sim EMAs in my trading. Chihuahua, Mexico. EMAs, exponential moving averages. I use the 8 and the 21 on the 5 and the 15. And I use the 21 on the hour. No, not what is. You guys can DM me with questions or anything. My Instagram is Dero_trades. And then I trade on TikTok as well for the evening session, live trading with Dero. Go ahead and follow me if you guys would like to. Dero_trades. I've been trading with Alpha lately too. So I've mostly been trading with.
It's gonna be crazy if this is like a reversal. Kind of doubt it though.
I had a small zone that we bounced off of, but I didn't like the price action, so I didn't take the bounce.
What do you think I see for possible short? We'll be up here, but I don't like how we're climbing now. One winner, one break even. So. Take it.
That winner was big.
Nice. Great. I'll catch you on the morning team. I'm done.
Peace out, Grizzly.
Cross action this week.
Have a good day. So I have two TikTok accounts. I have live trading with Dinero and just Dinero trades. The Dinero trades is more like my personal one, but this is my trading one. Feel free to DM me if you guys have any questions. Jdun took shorts earlier from the retest, I think, of the orb. And I think it was a 2-bar confirmation as well. Yeah. The orb level of like 2.5, 340-ish. He took that all the way down. I mean, it's super simple, that type of setup, and it happens very often. I want to say it happens at least 3 times a week in the mornings. You get those other days that it won't work, but if you're trading with a prop firm, TradeAway or TradingView, those are typically the best ones. That's what's on the chart here. This is TradingView. Group P2 is one. I trade both, but I stream for Asia. No, I don't wait for cross. Honestly, I use them for directional, and I use them for areas of retracement. I don't use TPT. Fun and X is solid. You can have, like, if you get the 25Ks, you could have up to 6 accounts. My favorite right now is probably Alpha and Tradify.
Let's go, baby! What you know about DOD? Come on now!
This guy.
Let's go! Woo! Y'all thought this was a game? We got Terry Crews up in here. Well, yeah, baby, let's go! Come on now. Quit playing with me. Surprise, mother. The dogs ain't coming out. That's DOD right there. That's DOD. Y'all talk, all these mentors talk about DOD. Who's showing you it? Who's built like an NFL linebacker? Well, not linebacker, more like a receiver. Maybe a mix. Maybe a tight end. Yeah, tight end would be good. I want all y'all to get ripped, rich, and rare. This how you said we getting paid today. I don't know what you're talking about, bro. I'm not going to be able to post this recording. Otherwise, y'all are going to go back and be like, Jdun went back on his word. Rare like a well-cooked steak. If you get your steak cooked well done, respectfully, you can't join these lives anymore. I'm sorry. If you're getting steak cooked well done, I wish you well. I hope you have a great trading journey, but it can't be in here anymore. You can't trade with me anymore, guys. I'm sorry. It's just it's business. It's not personal. If you want to waste your money on a well-cooked steak, you might as well just go get some beef jerky from the store. Diabolical. This is not the streamer community for you if you're getting well done steak. I'm sorry. It's not personal. You might be a good person. I think you need some therapy or something. Something's going on there. But you got to get some help, my friend. So it ain't the place for you. Not that guy. Not that guy. I'm a rare to medium rare type of guy. It depends on the cut. I usually order medium rare, but if it's A5 Wagyu, for example, I'll order rare. If it's some really good A5 Wagyu, I'll just eat it raw. Gene's seen it. He can confirm. I'll eat that shit raw, bro. I'm talking no cooking, like cold raw meat. Put the raw meat right. That was gonna sound way wrong. I was gonna say put the raw meat right in my mouth. That sounds way wrong. I will. Yeah, no. We stopped ourselves there. Pause. Yeah, if it's some really good quality meat, I'll eat it raw. I'm usually rare or medium rare, though. Have I ever held... What's wrong with you guys? Someone in the YouTube just said it. Have you ever had someone hold you down and tickle your toes, Jdun? No, I haven't, bro, and I'm not looking to. So you gotta chill. 200-point trade, and that's what I'm greeted with. That is crazy diabolical work. We're getting out of hand. Y'all make some money, I'll start going bananas. Yeah, when they said this little piggy went to the market and that little piggy game, they didn't tell you as a kid they were going to the stock market and they were trading with Jdun. That's the part of the story they left out. This little piggy went to the market and chose DOD and made some money with good old Jdun. That should have actually been how the story was written. They left that part out. All right, let's see here. I wonder where the 50% retracement of the day is up here at 280-ish. Yeah, I meant the area. It is around 260, but I always calculate the area. I got a lot of hits on whoever that guy that vandalized my car was, but nothing set in stone yet. I honestly, bro, if they came forward and said sorry, I literally would tell the cops to drop it. Like, it's not that expensive for me to fix. It's just principle, bro. Like, no one that's happy goes around and does that to cars. I want to help, bro. I get it. I was young, grew up fatherless, poor. I mean, I was in a bad spot too. I understand. I mean, I don't understand damaging people's property for no reason, but everyone has a reason for, I guess, why they do what they do. I'd love to help him find his way. Maybe DOD could change his life and set his life up differently. Steven said, had serious FOMO on that trade earlier, stayed patient, and just caught pre-market low bounce for 100 points DOD. Let's go, Steven. Oh, they might be able to trace the scooter, but it's just there was a lot of scooters in the area. So the detective was like, if it was a murder case, homicide, it'd be a lot easier, but they're still gonna look into it. Again, I'm not even tripping that much. I just want bro to live a better life. I mean, I was angry the first day, but now I'm like, you need Jesus. You need help. And I hope that bro gets it. I genuinely do. Life's way too short. Life's way too delicate to live it sad. It's like I said earlier. I think about it the same way I think about people that go on live streams or just spend their days on the internet hating. It's like, what a sad life. I don't want that for anybody. And we hit a high earlier, and we still got like almost 800 people here. An hour and a half, 2 hours in. We hit at a high of almost 1,600 people earlier. Mind you, if you've been coming for a long time, you know that when we started doing these lives on YouTube, we were only at what, like 100? Has anyone been here since we started doing the lives and we had like 100 people in here? Curious if we have anyone here that was a day one when we first started doing these, like 6 months ago. We had like 100 people at a time, and people just have kept coming back. They've kept getting value. And when you help people every day, you grow. And so I appreciate all y'all coming in every day and making this a part of your daily routine. It means the world. Seriously, thank you guys. It's honestly, it's never taken for granted for me. Anytime you guys use code Jdun, if you just show up and watch, if you guys participate, it genuinely means a lot. So thank you. It's never taken for granted. I know your guys' time is valuable, and I'm not here to waste it. There's a lot of streamers on here that will give you a million trades to make you blow your accounts so you use their code more. There's people that talk tea and this, that, and the next. We don't do any of that here. Our lives are a little different for that reason, but I like it. We choose DOD here. Do you take another trade too? I might. Probably not. Very low probability. Very, very low probability that I do, but I guess it's possible. I don't take trades on here just to take trades. That's why I always tell people that people that want to learn from me and watch me trade or join Team Bull, my trading's boring. I mean, I try to make it fun and, you know, have a good time, but my trading strategy is ultimately boring. I prefer to make and keep money. Hey, chat. Hey, Team Bull, how do we celebrate when I catch massive 200-point trades? That's the only warning you're getting. I'd prepare yourself for about 1 minute from now. That's the only warning you're getting. If you know, you know. If you don't know, well, then you just don't know. Oh, whoops, I gotta say that again. I was muted in Discord. It's only in Discord, too. Hey, chat, how do we celebrate when we get 200-plus point trades? You got 1 minute to prepare. If you know, you know. If you don't know, well, then you don't know. You better be ready in about 40 seconds, my boy. Jdun, what are you talking about? You don't know. You're never going to know. Well, you might know. Not today, though. That's the only time I'm saying it. The snipers got their rifles loaded. You know I'm always giving back to y'all inside the Team Bull Discord familia. Always. You know what they say. It's road code time, baby. Let's go. Y'all better be ready. The warning was sent. The notice was given. The party started. Damn, Lino got it. 2J got it. TE got it. White got it. Hey, let's go. I told y'all to be ready. When I tell y'all to be ready, you got to be ready. Of course, Brandon's ass got it. Random guy got it. It always says limit exceeded. You got to be stupid. Let's go. We're hooking all a Team Bull up, baby. That's what we do. Oh, now it's 1 per 100 points. Then it's going to be 1 per 50 points. Then it's just going to be just give us accounts, Jdun. We need accounts. I got to stop giving out bangers. That trade was honestly so fire today. That was the best trade I've taken in a long time, system-wise. Best trade I've taken in a long time. After yesterday's shit show, I'm not shit show, but honestly, my first 2 trades of the week were bad. They were good trades systematically. They just got stopped out in 15 seconds each. How embarrassing in front of like 5,000 people at once. I hate that. Literally makes me so sad. Jdun, could you give me some advice? Sure. What's up, bro? I'll be on live stream for about 30 more minutes, guys. I'm going to be on for a minute. I'm streaming until 9:30 today, Mountain Time. All right, let me check something. Let me check something, YouTube. Hold on. YouTube, you guys have been so loyal sticking around. Almost 800 of y'all still here. Do we need a road code for the YouTube? Do we need a road code for the YouTube? For the YouTube only? TikTok, y'all got about 60 seconds to get over to YouTube. There's something getting dropped. If you know what it is, you know. If you don't know, well, then I can't tell you. I can't tell you what it is. I'm sorry. It's part of the rules. I don't break the rules. It's not personal. You see, you know what the road code is. Jdun Trades is coming on YouTube. Y'all better, I'm not going to tell you when it's going to come, but y'all better be watching chat. Y'all better be watching chat. All right, I'll do the road code too, but I want this live up to 700 likes. We got 776 people in here. Get that live up to 700 likes, guys. Come on, smash that like button. Smash that like button. Come on. Got you guys 200-point winner. Easy money. Smash that like button, guys. Easy money. Come on. You guys are about 100 likes away. Let's go. 100 likes away. I wonder if we get 2-bar here. I wonder if we get this continuation. 180, 138. Might get that pull back down and go, or maybe we just rejected. See, this is a tough spot to look at because we are rejecting that 50% retracement of the day, but also we have this aggressive candle. So this is a really tough spot to trade if you're watching the screen share. TikTok, I need 60 of y'all, 70 of y'all to join and like the live. We got 630 likes. This giveaway is not happening until 700 likes. 700 likes, that starts the timer. Hit that subscribe button, YouTube. Come on over to YouTube, Jdun Trades. Jdun Trades on YouTube. That's where the giveaway is happening. For the free account, for the road code. I appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys using code JDUN on Tradeify, Apex, Alpha Futures, and Vanquish. You guys are 50 likes away. Y'all are so close. You're 50 likes away. We got 300 plus people on TikTok that could hang out and check out YouTube as well. That's where the road code's being given out. 40 more likes. We're so close, guys. Less than 40 likes left. We're so close. Order filled. That's what's happening today, baby. 20 likes away. Come on, y'all. 20 more, y'all. The moment we hit 700, I'm dropping it. $11 more likes. Come on. 7 more likes, baby. It's coming. She's coming in hot, baby. Oh. 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 Almost there. Boom! Let's go. Y'all better be quick with it. Y'all better be quick with it. Y'all better be quick with it, baby. Shout out the YouTube squad. Hey! If you know, you know. If you don't know, now you know. Damn, we hooked the squad up. Yo. We got a lot of people hooked up. Headspace, if it's an if you know, you know type of thing. It's not personal. Let's go. You're welcome, Peruvian guy. I appreciate all y'all being here. Make sure y'all subscribe and come back tomorrow. I'll be live for 22 more minutes. I'll do my best, Max and Corey. I got you. I appreciate you guys rocking with code Jdun with Apex. They're 80% off. Tradeify, Alpha Futures, and then Vanquish for funded options. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So you see here, the reason why it's tough to long here for me is because we're rejecting off the 50% of the day. You guys see that in the middle here. And we have this aggressive impulse candle off this pre-market low at the 50% retracement. So this could be the lower high of the day, and we continue down to new lows. It's very possible that happens. So that's why I wouldn't personally participate right here. This might make a higher low and bounce. There's just not a lot of edge in the trade. That's the problem. I made 6,200 on the day, but I'm giving away 200 of it. So I made 6,000. Let's see here. Who are we going to pick to win the count? HN Brian. We're going to give you a code. Thanks for the DOD system at Jdun, $1,500 today. So close to passing on 50K. Hopefully this will give you some backup here too. Congratulations. Thank you for being a part of the community as a premium member. It was easy. Don't. And today was awesome, guys. Where was my club? In the club. Okay, here we go. Oh, I got home. Let's see. Let's go, Brian. Let's go. Every one of my trades was bad. I'm sorry. Let's fix that tomorrow. Let's fix that tomorrow. Chill, Jdun. My mom's watching. I won't. Do your codes work on Tradeify? Yep. Code Jdun works on Tradeify. 30% off. Tradeify is my favorite beginner-friendly account right now. The select plans, I like the 50K select plans. Personally. Look at that. Look at that bounce so far here. Look at that bounce so far if you're on the screen share. Don't blink. What are my thoughts on FFF? Well, I used to be an owner of that prop firm. I haven't been for over a year now. Or actually for a year. But I think they're doing all right. They're doing well. I hope they're doing well. Was down 3K but made 1,400. Thanks, Jdun. You're welcome, bro. I got you. Look at that bounce, that 50% retracement there. Would you look at that? Don't blink. I can't wait to do a massive hike this weekend. Gene's coming. Oh, yes, you are, buddy. We got to get you some micro spikes today. Yes. It's going to be windy up there, my boy. -6? Oh, no, it's a yes. Gene's coming with me. I'm excited. Gene's going to hike a 14er with me in the winter. Gene said, I'm not going. I said, oh, yes, you are, baby. Pass the eval. Thanks. You're welcome, TE. Said he can't go. Sorry. Gene's my Gene's my Sherpa. Gene is my Sherpa. Yes, that is exactly what he is. We gonna take a trade today? We caught a banger earlier, bro. An absolute nuker at that. Nuker. What's up, TikTok? It's your boy. Gene, that video of us is crazy. You look so young. You look like a baby. I gotta pull up this video of Gene and I saw the video of when I first met Gene. This shit is literally hilarious. Here it is. All right. This is hilarious. Hold on. I gotta put this in the chat. Hold on. I'm gonna get this up. 1 second. Well, 6,000 a day, biggest day in a while. Y'all gotta see this. This is hilarious. Hold on, I'm gonna get it on the TikTok screen too. 1 second. This is Gene and I, the first day we ever met. Wait, watch this. I completely botched the handshake too. Watch, he like goes for the knucks, we just miss it. Look how young he looks. Look at little Gene. Young Gene. He said Team Bull's the US Mint. the green Urus. The Team Bull tank. What was I wearing, bro? Why'd y'all let me go out like that?
Hey, I didn't have any control of you back then.
Why did y'all let me go out like that, chat? What's wrong with you? Why'd y'all let me dress up like this, bro? What's wrong with you guys? You're supposed to have my back. Come on. The ripped jeans is crazy. The ripped jeans is insane. I can't believe y'all let me go out in public looking like this. What is wrong with you guys? Why'd y'all let me go out like this, bro? Oh my gosh, that is literally hilarious. You can't let me do that no more. The fit is criminal. Now I just wear Team Bull every day. That's crazy. This was back in 2022. That was Hunter's Lambo that he caught on fire too. I sold the green Urus a hot minute ago.
6 months?
The ball main sweater is crazy. That is crazy, bro. That is literally hilarious. That is so crazy. How time flies. To show you what it means to be human. Da-na-na. That was fun. We were just babies. Those jeans literally came like that. I do have a little Urus behind me. I got a little model Urus behind me. I also have a model Revuelta. When I bought the car, I hate this car, but got a Urus. I need to get the GT2. Need a little GT2. Do we retest high a day? It's possible for sure. I mean, we're gonna have to break through this 50% retracement area, but it's definitely possible. I love Uruses. They're great cars. Gene loves Uruses too. I just don't need any more cars right now. Honestly, I'm set. If I found a good deal on a Urus Performante, I would be open to it, but I'll never buy a hybrid again. This Urus is hard. The red stitching, man, this was so hard. Like, I want another Urus, but I also am trying to be responsible. Wow, this interior is nuts, though. Emotional. Besides hybrid, any other faults? I just don't like hybrid cars. I don't think they're going to hold their value. Did I catch something? Oh, look at that 2-bar again. As we moved off that 50% retracement. Look at that. Boom. 233 to 260. 5-minute charts, all you need. With solid volume and some patience. Six more minutes of streaming, guys. I said I was going to be on for 2 hours today. All right, I'm going to go unthaw this meat real quick. Gene, will you hop on quick? Say hi.
Hello. What up, guys? I am back. Why? Why the gang member? It took forever. Yeah, I did. I traded last night and this morning. I'm looking for tires. I need some new tires for my car. Thanks. Drive a Jeep. Look.
Are you part of MS?
There's another one.
That is literally hilarious.
Look at this one.
The gang members back.
That's cold. They were trying to get. My dad was trying to get me into options for the longest, but I just never did. Jacob's favorite,
Gene Senior. Someone asked if your dad was Mexican, Gene. Yeah. Yes. He's a what? He's a huerito. Whatever the hell that is. A huerito. Really? Still trading or are you done? I am likely done. I'm going to stay on for 2 more minutes. I promised myself in the squad that I was going to stay on till 9:30 Mountain Time. Damn. You never showed me?
Yeah, I've showed you.
No.
Do I look more like him or like my uncle?
So funny. I'm not sure what this market's going to do the rest of the day. It's tough. I got to pick someone to win $200 still. I helped someone quit the adult industry. I'm assuming OnlyFans earlier. So that was cool. This girl was like, I'm officially quitting. So that's amazing. That makes me really happy. Giving people alternative routes to make money and choose DOD. Gene looks like he works construction. He used to. He's actually my gardener. He keeps leaving his Coca-Cola cans and hot Cheetos in the back.
Hey, Coca-Cola's fire.
Jdun, can't say this enough. Been following this channel for years, been in and out of the community. I've learned a lot, became a lot more consistent. I've brought myself into DOD. This guy changes lives. Let's go. That's amazing, bro. Let's go. That makes me so happy. Uh-oh, we're about to go new lows. Reject this 50% retracement. If we pass this pre-market low, goodbye. Adios. I just picked the $200 winner in the post your gain shot. I appreciate all y'all posting in there. Get her details for us for research purposes. You're hilarious. You'll crack me up. Woo! Oh! Am I looking for any more trades? Likely no. Probably not. All right, guys. I'm going to mob off for the day. Incredible. Incredible morning together. Keep trading smart. Keep trading safe. Stay focused. I appreciate y'all using code Jdun. Apex is 80% off. Tradeify is 30% off. Alpha Futures is 10% off. Appreciate you guys rocking with me. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for more live trading. All right? God bless you guys. Trade smart, trade safe, stay patient, and choose DOD not only in your trading, but in your daily life as well. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye, everybody. Bye, fam. Peace.